In this video, we will be talking about layout of a page in our website. Let's take our website and start refining it down into what we actually want it to be. There is a lot of extra fluff here. You can see there is a toolbar, menu at the top, which is very nice but need to customize a little bit. There is a footer here. Actually we don't need it, but you can make it as per yourself. So let's move over to PyCharm and start trimming it back, the HTML and the customizing it so it looks more and more like our website. So we will move over into PyCharm, and the first thing we will be doing is the change of our title. So on Chrome you will notice like here it is written album example bootstrap. It is not suitable name for our online resume. We will change this to our name. So coming back to PyCharm, here we can put the title name as we were making for Rahul. So I'll be writing here Rahul Sharma. I think that is pretty clean, but if we go ahead and save this change and look at Chrome, it has changed to Rahul Sharma. Now we have Rahul Sharma showing up top, so that it is a sort of first step which we have done. Next thing, we have header. Need to add some lines about Rahul. We need to put some contacts, and we can delete this album. So let's go back to PyCharm. Here we have about is okay. Here for Rahul, I need to delete this. And I'll be writing into p tag something like my name is Rahul Sharma. I can put I am a front end and backend developer. He's a stack developer, so backend developer, and we can say my hobbies are gaming, editing songs, something like that, and you can put more like this. So let's save it, and we can also put the triggers like follow me on Twitter. You can write over here contact me, follow on Twitter. I have opened some lines over here for Twitter. We can take this site name and we'll put this into inverted commas. NetsetOS. Now Facebook I am using for NetsetOS. You can take for yourself. Here I am taking this complete. Control C. We'll move back to our PyCharm and we'll put for this. Here email me would not look nice. You can put for Instagram or something like your contact number, anything you can give here. Now here we will save. One thing more, I need to delete that album, so I will delete from here. Control S, and then we will reload our page. Let's see. About, my name is Rahul, I am a front end and back end developer. My hobbies are contact me. Yes, it will move to Twitter page, and for the Facebook it will move for the same. Yep. So link is working well over here. Now we need to tell something for this album example. So I will move back to PyCharm where I will change for album example. Here I think I should put Rahul Sharma, the name, and something about himself which employer may get attracted to. So then we comes to PyCharm, and here we will write in h1 tag Rahul Sharma, and here I have to write about him. So I'll be writing here like, let's start. Hi, my name is Rahul Sharma, and then I love making apps, and you can give up something which you like. I'll write making apps and websites. Cool. Then I should check first here. Reload the page. See, here I can see Rahul Sharma. My name is Rahul Sharma. I love making apps and websites. Now I can see these two options. Instead of this, you can write anything which you like. You can also put some Twitter account, Instagram account, anything, LinkedIn account. So you can, for me, I would like to put this LinkedIn account here. You can put yourself. Here I will put email me. So I will go back to PyCharm, and here I will delete one, and for this I will write email me. For this, where he should email you, you should need to give your email ID by mail to : I will give for netsetos@gmail.com. Let's check it. Control S and reload our page. Cool. So now here we got Rahul Sharma, email me. Now I can see at downwards there is some footer here. In online resume, I don't feel it is good to put any footer in the page, so I will go back to PyCharm and will scroll down. Here I can see this footer, so I will delete. See, it has been deleted. Now we come back to PyCharm. I can see so many divs here. This will be going to be a little bit of tricky because there is so many divs here. there is the container, and then there is a row. Inside of the row we can find so many depths, essentially a column inside of Bootstrap, but essentially want to delete all of them except leaving the last one. So I will take from 213 to line number 92. I will delete this. Control S. Let's see. Now we got one thumbnail, and we will put one loop over here. How many experiences you want to show here, you can go with it. You can put your picture here that I will show in the next video, and here you can describe about your experience. You can give some summary about it. Then if we go ahead here, okay, so we have got our experiences listed up in top. Here we will be experiencing there, but this is looking more and more like our own personal online resume.